From an early age, I was fed a carefully constructed narrative about money. I was told to work hard, go to school, get a good job, save diligently, and one day, someday, I'd be secure. I'd be free. But what if that narrative is flawed? What if the system wasn't built to make me rich, but to keep me working? The truth is, most people's understanding of money is rooted in myths. Not because we're unintelligent, but because the system relies on that misunderstanding. Banks, corporations, and even governments benefit when the masses misunderstand how money works. If everyone truly understood how wealth was created, transferred, and preserved, the game would change overnight. Let's begin with the myth of trading time for money. I was taught that income should be linear. The more hours I work, the more I earn. But look at the wealthy. Their wealth doesn't come from hours. It comes from ownership. They own businesses, stocks, real estate, intellectual property. These assets generate income passively, often while they sleep. Meanwhile, millions are stuck in jobs where they trade time for a fixed wage, taxed before they even see their paycheck. It's not that hard work is bad. It's that hard work alone rarely builds wealth. Another lie? Saving makes you rich. The advice sounds wise. Live below your means, save 10% of your income, and you'll retire rich. But in a world where inflation silently eats away your purchasing power, where banks offer interest rates far below the true cost of living, saving is no longer a wealth-building tool. It's a way to stay afloat, at best. The rich don't save in savings accounts, they invest. Their money is always in motion, working harder than they do. I've also been told that debt is bad, that it's dangerous. And for most people, yes, that's true. Credit card debt, payday loans, car loans. These trap people in cycles of repayment. But there's another side of debt, good debt. The wealthy use leverage to acquire assets. They borrow money at low interest rates to invest in cash-flowing properties, businesses, or markets that yield more than they cost. In essence, they use other people's money to build wealth. And then there's the education myth. Go to college, get a degree, and you'll be successful. But what kind of success? Financial freedom? For many, college now means crushing debt, a delayed start in life, and a job that doesn't always match the promises made. The truth is, financial literacy, understanding how money works, is more powerful than any degree. And ironically, it's rarely taught in schools. Consider taxes. The working class earns income, pays taxes, and spends what's left. The wealthy? They earn through businesses and investments. They spend first, deduct expenses, and then pay taxes on what remains, often much less. It's not tax evasion, it's the system. But most people aren't taught how to use it. They're taught to fear it. The most dangerous lie? That money is the goal. People chase money their whole lives, thinking it will bring happiness. But wealth isn't about dollars, it's about freedom. Freedom of time, location, decisions. Real wealth is the ability to wake up and choose what to do with your day. Money is just a tool, yet millions trade their peace of mind, their health, their families, for a number in a bank account they rarely understand. Even my emotions about money are shaped by manipulation. Advertisers push consumption as happiness. Social media pressures us into lifestyles we can't afford. Culture rewards visible wealth, not actual financial stability. We buy cars we can't afford to impress people we don't even like, while the rich often live modestly, investing behind the scenes. The system isn't broken. It was designed this way. A system where most people stay workers, not owners. Where they remain in debt, not capital. Where they follow advice tailored to benefit institutions, not individuals. But here's the good news. Once I see the game, I can stop playing by their rules. Financial freedom isn't a lottery ticket, it's a strategy. It starts with reprogramming everything I thought I knew about money. It means thinking like an investor, not a consumer. It means asking, who benefits from this advice, me or the system? I don't need to be born into wealth, but I do need to change my relationship with money. Understand it, question it, learn how it moves. Because once I control my understanding of money, I begin to control my future. I've been lied to about money, but now I know. And knowledge, real financial knowledge, is the first step to freedom.